Little baby Addison got the hiccups. Got that little cute hiccups.
Sleeping right through.
She's sleepy, girl. She's sleepy.
She had a rough morning.
Yeah, she did. She tuckered out. Her belly's full. She had a bath. Boy, oh boy. She's being pampered. And there's Mom. Mom got a little rest.
Well, 20 minutes. Although it was a little refreshing.
Hmm?
At first when I woke up, I was like, oh, wow, I got to sleep. Oh, you're so cute.
Just waiting on Grandma and Grandpa Clark to get here. Hang out with them for a little bit.
Oh, little mouth.
Little hiccups.
See how violent they are?
Mm-hmm. Like her mommy. Those
That's
pterodactyl hiccups.
Yeah. He's so cute.
He is cute. Oh, Daddy's tired.
Yeah, we all are tired. We took a little bit of a nap.
Yeah, let's see if we can take another family nap.
Okay.